So God has given this physiological method, and that's known as lactational amenorrhea, LAM. Okay, till the newborn, it's a natural contraception. Till the newborn is exclusively breastfeeding, the probability is very less. For the first 6 to 8 months, the lady will become pregnant again. Because she will not ovulate. But the point is that she is regularly breastfeeding her child. So as soon as the newborn is born in the first pregnancy or whatever pregnancy, not first, second, third, whatever, as soon as the newborn is there, the mother start breastfeeding. The mother start breastfeeding her baby. So till it is exclusively breastfeed till 6 months, she will not ovulate. Even the couple performs sexual intercourse, she will not ovulate and she will not become pregnant again. That is lactation amenorrhea. Now, what is the physiology behind that? Why she will not ovulate? Why she will not ovulate? What's the relationship of breastfeeding with the ovulation? What's the relationship? So there is a relationship. Whenever there is frequent intense sucking, whenever the newborn is sucking the nipple of the mother, the newborn is sucking the nipple of the mother. See here, frequent suckings are there. It should be frequent. It should be exclusive breastfeeding. The prolactin is released in the blood. Okay, so there is a signal goes in the brain, and in the brain there is a pituitary. The pituitary release the prolactin in the blood. Prolactin. Okay, see what is God. God is very great. God has made all these physiological systems. Okay, humans don't think much. लेकिन God ने बहुत सोच समझ के सब बनाया. So when the baby is sucking the breast of the mother, the nipple of the mother, the signal is going to the pituitary. The pituitary, the posterior pituitary, secreting the prolactin in the blood. The prolactin comes in the blood. Okay, and prolactin disrupts the GnRH. You know, from the hypothalamus, GnRH comes na, GnRH. Okay, this prolactin goes and interrupts those GnRH. So GnRH is interrupted. So estrogen and progesterone will be interrupted. Estrogen, progesterone will be interrupted. So ovulation will not take place. So till she is breastfeeding, ovulation will not take place. When the baby will be started weaning, I mean given external food after 6 months, gradually the breastfeeding becomes less, and she started ovulating again, and she is ready to conceive again if she wishes. So the same thing is written. Okay, so prolactin disrupts GnRH. GnRH interferes with the release of LHFSH, and that will cause the inhibit the ovulation. How many of you got it? How many of you got it? So this is the physiology. But three requirements, three criteria. Three criteria. The baby should be on exclusively breastfeeding. You know, some newborns are fed outside food also. Suppose the mother is working and she is not able to breastfeed her baby properly, and she is supposing that lactational amenorrhea will work. No. If she is feeding her baby every 4 hour till 6 months, the first 6 months, then only this method is physiological. Otherwise, you know, failure rate can be there. Okay, baby is less than 6 months of age and there is amenorrhea, and she is not having ovulation, but she is not having menstruation also for the